Be in demand at Emmanuel College. Boston, known as the hub of the universe, is home to the nation's top hospitals, its biggest companies, world-famous museums, and culture. It's where renowned authors, artists, activists, and even a president have been born and launched. Emmanuel College's 17-acre campus in Boston's Fenway and Longwood academic and medical neighborhoods is in the very heart of a thriving hub of academia, culture, and biomedical science. In one of the top cities for entrepreneurial growth and innovation, one of the foremost markets for STEM professionals, and one of the finest places in the U.S. to launch a successful career. 100% of students complete one or more career-launching internships while at Emmanuel. World-class, hands-on learning experiences in renowned hospitals, laboratories, clinics, media outlets, businesses, and nonprofits, minutes from the campus by foot, bike, bus, or train. Nearly all graduates report that their internship was key in preparing them for the workforce. On average, by 1 year after graduating from Emmanuel, more than 98% of graduates who seek employment find a job, and 94% of grads who seek admission to graduate school are admitted. 5 years after graduation, 8 out of 10 alumni say the skills they gained at Emmanuel prepared them for their current occupation, while 3 out of 4 report that they are employed in a position where they continue to grow and learn. Emmanuel College students have access to career opportunities that students and graduates in other cities may only ever aspire to experience. They are in Boston, and they are in demand.